Okay, the last part we're going to talk about for your finalized type PLE is the very bottom section where your evaluation or proof is then identified. So once again, if you are an internship, you should have 3 forms of proof down here. Remember, 2 of them must be hands-on. If you're a shadow person, you must turn in 2 parts for evidence, and 1 of them must be a hands-on activity. Once again, when grading down here, I should be able to cover up the left and right hand side, not need to look at it in order to grade down below. It should be a standalone sentence. So for example, it could be something like, I have provided pictures of the students playing the beach ball review game that I created for them. Another one could be, after interviewing my mentor about the pros and cons to being a stenographer, I have included the questions and answers that were created through the use of our interview period. Those kinds of things. So remember, whatever order you put them in down below in your evaluation, your 1, 2, 3, are the same order that they should be in when you attach them to the back of your typed PLE. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know.